Hello and welcome to Tableau 2019.1 for data scientists. I'm Manja Bogicevic and you are probably wondering why you should learn from me. My mission is to help decision makers gain more profit with machine learning insights. I'm one of the first self-made women data science entrepreneurs in the world. Currently, I'm pursuing my micromasters on MIT Field Data Science and Statistics. I'm currently working as a data scientist on projects in marketing, fintech, and sports industry. I'm a data science writer for Cambridge Spark, Tower Data Science, and many more. I'm a creator and teacher of the course How to Become Data Scientist in 6 months with more than 300 students from Serbia. I'm making magic in data science world with Python, SQL, machine learning, and Tableau. So let's go and see what we will learn in this course. What you will learn. In the first section, we will install Tableau 2019.1. In the section 2, you will learn the basics of Tableau 2019.1. In the section 3, you will make your first area chart. And in the section 4, you will learn color theory and best color patterns. And now goes my favorite parts. Of course, section 5, you will test your color palette and make visualizations. And in section 6, you will be able to make profit analysis for different clients. And the last one, but not the least, section 7, you will learn to make Sankey diagram dashboards. If you're wondering why this course is different, this is a course that will give you practical, applicable, and essential skills that anyone doing data visualization analytics needs to have. You will learn how to deal with messy data and visualize your results with maps and dashboards using Tableau 2019.1. By the end of this course, you will have created fascinating stories and be able to offer invaluable guidance when making strategic business decisions. What about prerequisites for this course? For an optimal experience with hands-on labs and other practical activities, I will recommend the following configuration: operating system Windows 7 or higher, Mac 10.7 or higher, processor 2 core, memory 8 gigabytes, storage 15 gigabytes, and of course install Tableau 2019.1 on your computer. What about goals for this course? The first goal is you will learn how to make your data science analytics visualization and presentation powerful and take your analytics skills to the next level with Tableau 2019.1. You will get a step-by-step training module where you analyze your data with Tableau. You will work with new datasets and real-life exercise in every section to challenge yourself to learn by doing. We will cover the latest Tableau 2019.1 release features to further advance your skills while you stay ahead of the competition. I'm super excited to begin our journey, so let's begin. Until then, happy whizzing!